Say it, I'm gonna look at it. Damn, I get some eye contact. Look at that. Shut up, dude. Body. Shut up. Shut up. Child, man. What? Whoop, get out of here.
I am. Getting her dumb ass.
I'm
about to narrate this shit as if I was fucking Morgan Freeman out this, but this bitch ain't talking to nobody. This bitch, we done checked both this bitch's ears. This bitch ain't got a Bluetooth and this bitch ain't got a green tooth in sight. This bitch ain't talking to no damn body. This bitch over there having a conversation with her and whoever else. She must be talking to the team in Nigeria and shit. Nigeria done lost all the Africans going crazy in this bitch. Look at her. Look at her. This bitch been pointing out the window at cars and shit, talking about they talking shit about her. This bitch don't know what to do.
Put me in there.
Well, we can go to our sponsors now and shit.
This crazy Jezebel over here talking to herself. Fuck her.
Well, anything to say?
No. I hate that bitch.
Jawan?
Know her. Now, back to the